Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review or an unboxing on this Johnson & Johnson 80-piece first aid kit. So it comes in this nice little container. It is blue. It's 6 1/4 inches by 5.5 inches, and thickness wise about 1 3/4 inches. It's got a snap here, open it up. It's got a hinge. You got a little bit of first aid fundamental book here. Talks about a few things. I like that it comes with Neosporin. And we get some bandages. It comes with 2 packages of Tylenol, which have 2 tablets in each one, 500 milligrams. These are hand cleansing wipes to clean your hands. Lots of Band-Aids, and then some gauze. Kind of some all-purpose, and then some non-stick compress. I like that it's got like nice little compartments for everything. Yeah, that sticks there, that goes there. Here's what the Band-Aids look like. And again, we got a little list up here. True Stay Band-Aids, and then the flexible fabric Band-Aids. So let's take a look at this Band-Aid. Oh yeah. This is what the bigger one looks like. Let's take a look at the smaller one. Then we got some back here. Might be a little bit different. No, it should only oh yeah, it does show 2. It shows 3 different types of Band-Aids. So this is the flexible fabric. A little bit smaller, we can see, and then this one. A little bit different. I think it might be the same. Same as that one. Okay, so where's the different ones? Oh, that's a bigger bandage, okay. So we got some bigger ones. They're kind of intermixed a little bit. And then this is a great big one. Yeah. So this might be more watertight, where these are like fabric, kind of flexible. So different sizes. Again, nice little kit. I like that it closes up. I can easily identify it. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.